How's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. So that's my 2016 Honda CRV, and on today's video we're gonna do a transmission fluid change. So this is a CVT transmission fluid drain and fill. So obviously we're gonna need some fluid, so I only use the genuine Honda fluid. I don't want to use any other brand. I don't want to have a problem with my car, so I just use the original Honda fluid. So the fluid is HCF-2. That's for the transmission CVT transmission fluid. And if you have a front wheel drive only, you're gonna need 3.9, but since this is an all-wheel drive, you're gonna need 4.5 liters. And also you're gonna need your crush washer for the drain plug, gloves, a funnel, long funnel, so you can reach all the way down to the fill plug, a 3/8 ratchet, and a drain pan. So guys, let's get started. So to fill the transmission fluid, it's located down there. That's the cover for the fill plug. All you have to do is just pull it out, and it's even written there what type of so the fluid, it's HCF2, the same one that we got. And for the drain plug, this is the drain plug where you're gonna insert your 3/8 ratchet, and this is where we're gonna drain all the 4.5 liters of CVT transmission fluid. One important thing to know when you're doing a transmission fluid flush, just make sure that the four wheels on this car is on the level ground before you even start the job, just to make sure everything's gonna be completely level, so we're gonna have a better drain. So after you insert your 3/8 ratchet, maybe you're gonna need a little bit of help with the leverage, so you can add up your pipe here to give you more leverage. Then you just do counterclockwise to break it. There you go. That's how you break it. With the drain pan, remove the drain plug. And let it drain. This oil really stinks. So this is the drain plug. It has a magnetic tip, and look at all the crap that I got from my transmission. So first we have to clean the magnet before we install the cross washer for the drain plug, before you put it back. So let's clean the magnet first. That's good. I like to see that the magnet is doing its job to make sure there's no metal particles that circulates around the fluid. So now it's nice and clean. So remove the old crush washer, and we're gonna put on the new one. So now it's ready to install on the drain hole. So now it's time to install the drain plug. So the torque is 36 foot-pound. That's it, 36 foot-pound. I'm just gonna spray with the brake cleaner. So just to make sure it's clean. Plus when it dries up, you're gonna see if there's a leak. Because now it's clean, we're gonna see later on if there's a leak. So it's better to clean with the brake cleaner. And then when it dries up, it's gonna be nice and clean, no oil. Then we can monitor if it's dripping. So now we're ready to fill up the fill hole with the new fresh transmission fluid. So this is the first liter. Nice and clear. The one I took out from the transmission, it's really black. This one is clear. That's 1 liter. Second one. Third one. Fourth one. So that's 4.3 liters or 4.5 quarts. So now it's time to put back the fill plug. Just have to press it all the way down, make sure it's nice and sealed. So the fill plug is back. Now the job is complete. So before I'm gonna drive the car, I just wanna start it first. And I just wanna shift through all the gears for a few seconds. Just to spread out the fluid evenly inside. So now I think it's ready that I can drive the car normally. So guys, that's it for the video. So please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.
I just can't deny giving me the best time.